I wasn't doing a trick anymore. What are you doing?
This is starting to become annoying. I'm not sure why I bother with you incompetent idiots. All right, I'll try this one more time. You are my most elite troops. I'm sending you down to the planet's surface to destroy those troublemakers. Now go! Oh, and if you have to destroy Gadgetron to get rid of them, so be it.
What's up, everybody? It's me, P. We're back with Ratchet and Clank. Yeah, we already know we're not. No recap. We know what we're doing. We're going to that planet. We're going here, getting the disguise device, and then going back. But obviously, I can't imagine the disguise device is the only thing that's here. That's just not how these planets work. No weapons, don't care. Yeah, we'll probably try and get both of the places done today. Just because just makes sense. What the hell are these things? Okay, they don't seem too dangerous yet. I definitely need to use a different weapon, but why are these not one-shottable? Oh. There's not always gonna be... Okay, this... You know what? Let's just ignore them. What if we just ignore them? Like... Hold up, calm down. I'm sure I can ignore them pretty easily. It appears that I can. So if it appears that way, then it probably is the case. Now for that one, I don't have to ignore him because I have range. Let's just fly on out here. Do it one more time. Oh, there was no transition to that. It was just go. It was just you click the button like you wanted it. All right, let's go. Like it didn't mess with me. It was like, all right, click the button, let's go. All right, no clue which way the main way is because there are so many ways. What the hell are these? Are these like testing dummies for something? Yep, that's the bomb glove. It seems like. It's like a really, really shitty version of the bomb glove. Okay, that was... Yeah. Dude, what is the weapon here? The Devastator just doesn't... I don't know. Maybe it's just because I'm impatient. Maybe, like... Dude, maybe it is. Maybe... Hopefully that doesn't come back down. Maybe I'm just impatient. Maybe taking time, just dropping behind, like that. Maybe that was their intention. Take your time, jump behind the boxes. Man, I really don't want to use an invisi-bomb shot for this, but... I'm gonna take damage. Oh. Why did all... You know what? I'm not gonna ask. I'm gonna be grateful, right? Let's be great. I meant to test this last episode. It does break metal boxes. I'm gonna be grateful and take the win there. What's this one? Oh, you want a box? All right, let's all box. Come on, come here. This was perfect. This lined up perfectly. Nah, come here. Let's go. Bitch. Come here. Your guys' gloves suck, dude. This is definitely like the defective lab. Like, easily the defective items. Like, y'all stuff is ass. What the hell? You went sideways. Yours was kind of... Yeah, no, that was just... You guys have the defective ones, so... What's this about, huh? See if I just take my time, take the shots. It's actually pretty good. So, you know what? I'll take the blame on that. I'll take the blame on that. That was me. That was me, just my impatience, nothing else. And we'll keep rolling. Dude, so many split, like, paths. Like, that seems like the main way, but that seems like a way that I'm not gonna come back to unless I run through the map. Whatever, let's just go this way. I don't care. Come here. Please one-shot these. Oh, that's so convenient. I'm now realizing what I was just bitching about. These are connected to the same spot.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Don't call me that. These are literally connected to the same spot, as you can see. So, yeah. Is there a reason? Hold on. Hold on. I don't think I'm understanding something yet. Oh, hold on, dickheads. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, all right, let me toot my own horn for a second. I reacted fast enough to not get hit by that laser. Okay, so what? Okay, so... That's not the one I wanted. Okay, doesn't matter. It seemed like that closed a lot faster the first time than it did the second time. All right, what could this be? Oh, for some oh, I might die. Wow, their flamethrower, like, radius is huge. Okay, let me I'm not risking it. We're gonna bomb glove and keep our distance. I'm not, nope, no way, no how am I going over there. I will gladly keep my distance and take my win. I don't like this. So let's take, God. Pull it up. Come on, wrap it back around. I don't know. Pull down. Yes. We are covered. Please, I missed it anyway. Can we devastate her from this range? Surely not. Really? That amazes me, I gotta be honest. That seems very, that's a lot of range. All right, come on. I got the perfect weapon for you, so. Okay, hold on, let me calm down. Let me calm down. Fire the shots. Kill these as fast as I can. Destroy that plane, because I think they're gonna keep spawning if I don't destroy it. Calm down, make those miss. Play it nice and slow. There's 2 health boxes. There's 2 health boxes right over there. Let's slow it down, because maybe, you know, maybe it transitions us into like a little, wait, let's get this health box first. No risks needed. Let's get this one, because, you know, when I jump to that platform, there's like a 20% chance that it's like, oh, here's 2 planes worth of these guys that are really hard to fight. So why not just deal with it? Why would I risk it? I forgot I had the bolt grabber now. Well, so for this one, we're gonna take it very, very slow. And we are gonna let the Glove of Doom destroy all of these guys. I am not moving. I will watch the Glove of Doom do everything I need it to do, slowly over time, and everything will fall. God damn it. I don't know how I messed that up. Do not ask me, because I will not give you an answer. Because I do not have an answer. Man, you guys just keep spawning. I really am just trying to get past this part. No. Okay. Well, obviously we have a buddy to talk to. Anything on this side before I go talk to... Alright, so that's just an exit. Alright, so what are you? Oh, that was sick.
Excuse me, sir. I was wondering if you were concerned about the, invasion?
Son, hard offenses are the best money can buy. Don't give it another thought. You ever been on a hoverboard?
Yeah, once or twice.
I am in search of a hip young star to represent my newest line of boards.
Oh my god, we're about to do more.
And I am your
I don't
man.
want to do more
You can beat my
hoverboards.
10 spots in a race. The job is yours.
Oh God, I don't remember the buttons. Why do I have a rocket launcher? Okay, RB did tricks, which led to me having boost with square. Oh my God, this is gonna be... Why do I feel like I'm about to struggle so hard on this one? God damn, I'm gonna... Why, dude, I'm so slow. I'm in third. I don't even see anyone. Oh, God. Okay, all right, you know what? Let's calm down. Do these give speed boosts? No, I don't know what they do. Oh, I saw what they do. They did shortcuts. That definitely opens that shortcut if I do that. Okay, hold on. Let's calm it down. Shoot this guy. All right, we hit this shortcut, so this will open something across the way. That I... Okay. Calm down. We hit it. We're back. We're now in first place. Okay. He's like right. I held the button to do tricks. No, that actually see how it wouldn't have made me turn. Bro, come on. That one's, you know, that one's kind of garbage. Let's not do that. I don't know how you make that turn. I gotta be honest. No, that is literally just for bolts. Please, can you catch him? All right, can I make this? Oh my God, I actually did. I'm not gonna have enough boost to make the jump though, so this is not helpful at all. Actually, wait. Touch that. No, I still made it. That's horse stuff. All right, to be fair, I'm doing really bad, but this is my first time. I don't know the map, so I'm not taking shit. Okay, now come on. Okay, what lap? We're on the last lap. There's not really much I don't think I can do anymore. I'm pretty sure the thing's right here. Yeah. Okay. All right. No, I got it this time. We're good. Okay, I got it this time. No, I can't. Ah! All right, let's just, you know what? Restart early. Dude, I don't know how you make the turn. I just don't see how that's possible. I just don't know. I wasn't doing a trick anymore. What are you doing? All right. Why did I not get boost for that? I have no speed, man. Give me something here. I don't know how I got turned. Okay, you can kind of... That's nothing like what I wanted to do at all. Okay, that one I'm not mad about because I cheated. I started flying off the wall. How the hell did I do that? Why did I jolt to the... Huh? I got teleported forward. Wait, what? Hold on. I really can't talk. I need to just focus and win. That didn't work right. That didn't work the way I wanted it to. What a save. What a nuts save. Actually nuts save. One scratcher, one flip. Scratcher, two flips. I don't know what the hell a scratcher is. I'm not gonna have enough boost. I'm not gonna have enough boost to make the jump. Wait, I'm lying because you can jump. How did I over jump it with no speed? I don't know how that's possible. Oh my god, okay, alright.
Quick. Now I just need you to say a few words about our hot new boards.
Huh? Now?
Of course. Just look into that camera right over there and say what comes naturally. Rolling.
Hi. This is Ratchet for, Gadgettron hoverboards. And if you,
Yo, dudes, for the freshest boards in the galaxy, check out the new XZ88 from Gadgettron. It's so hot, it's cool.
I think I got the wrong guy. That was something.
Hey, I was thinking, do I get a discount on gadgets now?
You have to be with the company for 2 years before the employee discount kicks in. I can, however, let you have this.
Oh, it's the... Alright. Is that... I assume that's what we think it is.
Guys is the perfect infiltration device for all our non-robot customers. Simply equip the device and press the circle button. You will instantly be disguised as a sentry bot, preventing detection by all sentry bot
Alright.
securities.
Alright, I get it. Alright, thanks. Thanks, brother. Okay, let me go. Okay, so... ride the grind rail, find new equipment. Alright, so there are other things I need to finish up here. Do I backtrack, or do I just die somewhere? Okay, I guess we go this way? I think this... Yeah, okay, ride the grind rail. Hopefully find new equipment is just along the grind rail part. Can I hit these? I hate that you can hit bombs. Just because you hit the bomb and it explodes in your face due to the bomb doesn't mean you should be immune to the bomb. I feel like that's pretty clear. I know I already said all this. I know we already had this discussion. Nothing changed. Why? Also, am I Why is it so slow? What is happening right now? Like, why do I feel like this grind rail is absurdly slow? That was pure instinct. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. But I got like a sick, wait, can I? No. I hit that. Did I need to hit it though? Like, what is hitting that doing? Okay, I hit 3. Most things usually take 3 hits. And now, okay, so we're back here, and this sends me... Okay, maybe I needed to jump here, and I just was being really dumb. Oh, okay, yeah, I just needed to jump. So what did hitting the buttons do? Was that guardrail not there until I hit the buttons? I mean, because I get it. That would make sense, I guess. Whoa! I'm dead. All right, we're back on track. What am I? Okay, and here's the awesome thing. I know if I die, it's going to put me clear back at the start of the guardrail, the complete start. So, which is so frustrating, but I have a feeling, what the hell? Oh my god, I don't care about gold bolts. I just want to survive. No, I don't even know how. Just want to be done. I don't want to have to restart this whole part. How can I tell around the angle? You can't see anything. All right. Oh my god. Okay.
To meet the help desk girl. I hope
What should that matter?
Whew, that made me mad. That made me really angry.
Come here often?
Actually, I work here, so I come here all the time.
Oh, yeah.
I've been following your progress. Here, shh, take this. It's a map-o-matic. It will be very helpful.
I'll see you later.
Bye, sweetie.
I think she likes me.
The Gadgetron map-o-matic can be used to find secret areas. Just go to your map screen and all secret areas.
Ah, so that's how you realistically find the golden bolts. Oh. Leave me alone. I was just curious. I just wanted to know what would happen if you tried to attack. Are we done then? Yeah, we're done with this place. I mean, yeah, let's, man. All right, I guess let's go finish this other map. Hopefully it's not too long. My ship is back there. Are you sure? Okay. See, you know, I feel like you could have took me back to my ship. Like, I don't know if it was necessary for you to cut short. Like, I feel like you really that was just really pointless. And, you know, I could have did a cut. I could have just did a cut here, and no one would have ever seen it. And I would have been at the ship, honestly, on the next planet. But now you have to live with it, with me, because it made me mad. All right, back to this planet. Go turn into a disguise, or go disguise, not turn into a disguise. We're gonna go disguise, and then whatever the hell that leads us to. All right, so we just go straight for this. We just go straight for this door down here. Hold on. Does he? Oh, they do shoot attacks. I honestly didn't know if they did or not. Okay, so okay, hold on. Quick select. We're gonna have to have this. I can already tell. So, hey, buddy. Hello. Can you open the door, pal? Oh, how kind. That was so sweet. All right, motherfucker, come here. Come here, dumbass. All right. Please. Okay. We're fine. We are fine. I don't want to know what that sound means, and I really hope I'm not in actual danger. Also, the Vizzy... What is happening? Okay, we're fine. The Vizzy Bomb gun might be really cheatsy for this whole, like, area. Like, if I can just shoot and follow it pretty much anywhere, it really doesn't feel necessary to ever actually use it. Do I even need... I really don't think I need to do this. Like, I'm pretty sure, right? Like, it's not like cheatsy. I don't know why I called it cheatsy, but like, it's just smart. I'm using my gadget as I should. All right. So now, instead of having to walk like a robot through this whole area, I can just walk through the area because they're dead. Also, I see the Hold on. We're gonna try something. That's not what I meant. Hold on. Let's do this a different way. Let's not fly up. God damn, you do not turn well. God damn, you don't turn for I knew it didn't. I don't know why I'm acting like I didn't know that already. Oh, I have to avoid those for 2 seconds. Ah, see, and that's the thing. I said that and acted like that and nearly died to it. Okay, this one I need people there to unlock the door.
Destroy those sentry bots. Make sure they do not press that alarm button.
I know. I see what's going on. Devastating. All right, we're good. What do we... I could probably Vizzy Bomb. No, I don't like our odds here. Having just a metal door that's not already open for me to be able to see... see things. Fuck. You open the door! Thank you. Sir? Did the wall protect him, or is that one in there dead? Or is he just hiding in there? I was right to assume so. Okay, so the Vizzy Bomb started out, I was kind of like, who cares? Like, who cares about this gun? And now it's grown on me and is really, really good. Okay, he's gonna... No, hold on. That guy's gonna go for it, and I don't know if it's gonna cause... No, he's not. Okay. Okay. Oh, why is their base built over, like, toxic sludge? That is horrifying. Okay, it seems fine again. Why did you see him just shoot at that? Why? Oh god, I have to... This is kind of cool, actually, seeing the robot, this giant-ass robot being built. I mean, realistically, I should probably do something about it. I should probably blow this whole thing up. But, you know, like... hold on. Let's... is this one gonna attack me? Why are there bolts laying right there? You know what? Let me try. Let me just shoot it. Let me see if... okay. I mean, I suspected, right? Like, we all kind of knew it wouldn't do anything. But you know there's also a chance, right? Like... let's stay ready because I have no clue. No, let's disguise. This seems like an obvious disguise timing. Okay, all right, yep, I was right, I was right. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, open that shit. Shouldn't have did it. You shouldn't have did it. Yep. Stupid ape. Okay.
That should do it.
Mom? I tried, Mom.
Wait.
I know.
I mean, I guess technically, yeah.
Look, a sister.
Our synthetic world is now fully functional and ready for habitation. However, there is one small obstacle in our way. This pathetic lump of a planet. Due to some blunder of fate, it happens to occupy the galaxy's most perfect orbit. But no more. Behold, the Deplanetizer, the most powerful laser ever created. Soon, we'll move the Deplanetizer into place just above the planet's surface. I will, of course, be on hand to press the button that will blow this mudball to smithereens. No one will even miss it. See you then.
Ratchet? Are you all right?
He is going to pay.
Excuse me?
It shouldn't have taken me this long to see it. Drek is going to find out what happens when you mess with my home. What are you smiling at?
This is the Ratchet I always knew was there.
Okay, if we're gonna do this, we need to get onto Drek's ship. And then we can find out where he set up that laser.
I will try to make you proud, Mom.
Slow down. All right, that was just that was weirdly wholesome. So I didn't want to. I was like, I was about to start tearing up. I will not lie, I was about to. It's stupid because he's pretty much just talking to a computer, but it was a weirdly wholesome interaction. Ah, man, that's so dumb. God damn it. Do I have money for any of it? I don't even want any of these. There's no point. They look dumb. They wouldn't be cool. The decoy is stupid. Like, why would I just want to place decoys on myself? What is this?
I got some great bargains.
I don't want to waste my money on this. I don't know. We'll see. I might buy them. I probably won't. I gotta be honest. But until then, we're gonna end it there because I did as I said. We did the two places. So yeah, now we'll go to Drek's ship and do whatever the hell we're gonna do on Drek's ship, and you know. But anyway, I hope you like this one. I hope you like the next one, and the next one, and the next one. And I'm out.